Your cabin in the woods can be a perfect cure for restlessness. If you're restless today, you may be even more restless 10 years from now. Unless you do something about it. Life brings increasing cares. So going to your dream spot month after month, year in, year out, you'll experience a recharging, a rehabilitation, a recreating.
Here's
going.
Timber. Oh, perfect.
There's no way. There's no way you could do that without that method right there.
Your cabin in the woods should always present enough challenge to keep you constantly adding to its loveliness.
Keep going. Oh, good. Field goal.
In this way, after each visit, you will return to your city life rested, stronger, revived. It is obvious then that we should take our time, months, years, predicating our building on long-term planning. Take full enjoyment in the building. Take time out to rest. Most city folks seem always to rush things through. Why?
Just put it right on top of that one.
Lay off until tomorrow. Take an afternoon nap. Stop the clock for the weekend. Get off to an early start in the cool of the morning tomorrow.
And you snap it.
You may be crowded in your work in town, but this should be your rest cure, your recreating.
Yeah, you got it pretty dead on, man.
Robbie likes it. Nice. Yeah.
Don't spoil it by city driving standards. Set your own pattern. You'll be rewarded with increasing peace of mind from year to year. Again, I say, here is a perfect cure for restlessness.